Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to open and edit host file. At first, click button Windows and right notepad. Open this as an administrator. Yes. Click File, Open, Local Disk, Windows, System 32. Click Drivers, etc. Now, as you can see, there is no file on this folder, but you can select all files from here and you will the files now. Select hosts, open, and you can write here whatever you want. For example, I will edit this file for blah blah blah. Now you can save the file from here and now exit. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.